Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 1 in Roblox on Windows 11. First, we will do a clean reinstall, which is the most effective method. Right-click on the Start button and go to Installed Apps. Scroll down the list or use the search bar and find Roblox. Click on it and uninstall it. After that, press the Windows key and R at the same time. Type %localapp and press Enter. A folder will open. Here, locate the Roblox folder and delete it completely. This removes leftover files that may be causing the error. Now restart your PC. Once your system turns back on, go to the official Roblox website, download the latest version, and install it again. If the problem is still there, it may be related to your internet connection. In that case, try using a VPN. You can install a VPN like ProtonVPN. After installing, connect to a different location and then open Roblox again. This can help bypass network restrictions and fix the issue. After following these steps, error code 1 should be resolved and Roblox should work normally. Thanks for watching.